In this video, you'll learn how to increase your visibility on Wecasa and ultimately get more bookings as a professional. By following these steps, you will enhance your profile and stand out to potential clients looking for your services. To begin, maintaining excellent ratings is crucial. Wecasa prioritizes professionals with the highest ratings in their network. Therefore, consistently delivering quality service is essential. Ensure that you meet and exceed client expectations to receive. Next, it is important to be flexible with your availability. You have the option to choose your own hours and define your travel zones. The more availability you offer, the greater the opportunities you will have to connect with clients. Consider adjusting your schedule to accommodate a wider range of potential bookings. After that, focus on accepting jobs strategically. Jobs are sent via the Wecasa Pro app, and you have the freedom to accept or decline offers. Being responsive to job requests not only helps you build a strong reputation, but also increases your chances of being selected for future opportunities. Additionally, customer satisfaction should be a top priority. All feedback from clients is carefully analysed and shared with professionals. This feedback is invaluable for your growth. By actively working on areas of improvement, you can enhance your service quality, leading to higher ratings and more bookings. Staying active on the platform is another vital aspect to consider. Regular engagement and maintaining an updated profile can significantly increase your chances of being matched with customers. Make it a habit to log in frequently and respond promptly to any inquiries or job offers. The better your service quality and the more available you are, the more visible you will become to potential customers. By implementing these strategies, you will enhance your presence on Wecasa and increase your booking opportunities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.